I purchased this A5 printer paper so I can make my own inserts for my agenda. So I recently purchased the new agenda, and as I'm filling it up, I'm realizing there's a lot of things that I want to do that I thought would be cute that would just make mine a little bit more different. So I have a birthday coming up, and I printed the pictures that I want to recreate as my vision board to put into my agenda so I can see it while I'm away on vacation. I feel like it's one thing to have the pictures in your phone as inspiration, but it's another thing to have them printed out. I feel like it just hits better and you're able to look at it for inspiration while you're taking the photos, because 9 times out of 10, you're going to be using your phone to take your pictures. So yeah, I feel like I did my big one with this. So on the back of the paper, I also added a checklist. So that way, for the categories of pictures that I took, I can add things that I would need to make that vision come to life. What I liked about the paper was that it was thick enough that my colors didn't bleed through either side. I actually went ahead and made quite a few different inserts for my planner that customize it to my aesthetic, and I just love the way the paper feels inside of it. It's thick, it's nice quality, and it holds printer ink really well. I thought this was such a cute idea, and I'm glad I found the correct paper to do this on, because now I am going to be able to print so many things that whatever I think of in my head and just put it in my planner, because it just hits so much better when you have something physical to look at. I love my iPad and my digital calendar, but nothing beats having something that's actually printed and physical in front of you. So yeah, I'm glad I made this decision of getting the printer paper and deciding to print my own instead of buying the digital downloads and other things like that, where you only can use a few of the items that you purchase because it's not actually customized to you. So if you're thinking of building your own agenda and printing off your own inserts, definitely go this route. I definitely hope you use the paper I suggested, because it is definitely high quality and you won't regret it.